Hi, I'm Shabila from Data Semantics. Today, I'll be explaining about the People Automation System dashboards, which basically helps you track data about all your employees, their statuses, and the projects they're currently involved in. So, starting off with the headcount dashboard. So, we have the total employee count that has been showing on the dashboard on the first tile. And then we have the number of female employees as well as the number of male employees. There are a set of filters on the right-hand side of the dashboards on the top. Basically, the data that you are seeing currently can be filtered across different years, different months, by gender, by project category, and by nationality. Currently, this map shows the number of employee counts from different nationalities around the world. And the second visual shows the count of employees working at different project locations. And this visual shows the employee count by project category. And the final visual at the bottom shows the complete details about all the employees with the name, the date of birth, and any other detail that has been required. So consider I filter out for the country of America. I get all the employee details with respect to that, what type of project they're involved in, and which location they are, and number of employee count. So this applies to all the other filters on the dashboard as well. So moving on to the next dashboard for the project analysis dashboard. So here we have a set of filters for year, month, the project category, project risk, and the type of project managers, and the different priorities for every project. So the first visual basically gives us the project count with the type of risks that is there by legend, by the color, and the project priority has been mentioned here. So currently, projects with high priority and high risk are 3 projects with 33.3%. Now we filter this across for 2017 and we see the difference that low priority projects are just 7 and 7. So basically with half of the risk. So here in the second visual, we have the total budget that shows up for the project being on the project priority, all three, low, medium, and high. Then we have the total number of projects showing up here, the total number of project managers in the company, and the total budget that is involved for the company. So currently in this visual, we're showcasing the top n number of projects, and the number n could be selected for the number of projects here. So we have the top and then we have the bottom n. So we could choose any number and that many number of projects, either the top projects or the bottom projects by their budget will show up here. And these are the projects by their priorities, and the bars show the risk that is involved in the project, and the axis or the size of the bar charts explain the budget that has been involved in the project. Moving on to the payroll dashboard. Here we have a set of filters again arranged on the right: department, designation, the range of the salary, the year and month. And we start off with showcasing the salary by department. And we have 4 departments currently showcased here with the amount. So we choose to change the salary range. And the other filters, the filter works for all the other visuals. So the month-wise salary is split up here. So depending on the year, the salary value changes. The maximum salary that has gone out for the year of 2016 is going to be this value, and the minimum salary is going to be this value. The total amount that is spent in 2016 as salaries or for the payroll of all the employees is shown here, and the average salary value has been showcased here. Then we have top 10 employees by salary. So these are the people who are earning a huge amount. And the next visual shows the employee salary by designation. So basically, which designation earns more. So that's what we're trying to showcase in this dashboard. And that is all about the People Automation System dashboard. We'll wrap it up here.